What's happening, Crypto Crew? This is Kalelcanfly with my wife, Emily.
Hello.
And we're about to get into episode 8 of Chainsaw Man.
Yeah.
This one is entitled Gunfire.
Gunfire.
It's going to be really interesting. I'm really enjoying this show. And I'm really anxious to kind of see it now starting to kick in.
Right.
We're getting to know these characters a little bit better.
Yeah.
And there's a group of them. There's definitely like an ensemble of devil hunters. And I think this is going to be really interesting.
Yes, I agree.
Do you think that, I know the way that it ended last week, with him in bed with the woman.
Yes. Okay.
Do you think he did it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. What boy wouldn't do it? I mean, at that age, their hormones are going crazy, and this is actually its first time. And, you know, I don't know. I think so. You don't? As a boy, you don't think?
He probably did. Unless something stopped him. Like maybe she got sick and threw up or something.
Right.
You know, because she was hungover or she was drunk.
Yeah.
So maybe she got sick.
Yeah, that could be possible. I hope that.
Well, she already puked in his mouth, so.
Yeah, so he's kind of used to that.
Yeah. Do you think that would stop him?
Probably not.
No.
He came back for second, so.
Right.
Yeah.
But yeah, I guess we'll jump into this episode and find out if he did it, if he lost it.
Lost his virginity.
Yeah.
He's no longer a virgin.
I think he's gonna. I have a feeling something's gonna happen.
Yeah.
I have a feeling that it's gonna be saved for Makima.
Nah, I think he's eventually going to have sex with her, but he's gonna fall in love with her. This is gonna be his first.
All right. Well, let's jump in and find out. Please smash a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. We always appreciate that.
Yes.
And here we go.
See if he gets his cherry popped. Oh. The key.
Oh, somebody gonna walk in on him? Oh, wait.
Wait.
Oh, this is her taking him home.
Oh. She carried him?
Yeah, she did.
Damn, she's strong.
So they did say this week's episode was a bit controversial.
Really?
Somebody told me, yeah. That's all I know about it. I don't know what's
gonna happen.
Yeah.
Because she's kind of reminding me of myself. Oh, I'm kind of scared.
Yeah. Oh, she's back on the beer. Oh, I wonder if that was a fiend in bed. That flapping sheet, it makes me wonder if like a demon's gonna come through and take over. No, because a fiend has a weird head, they said. Thought maybe like a possession type thing.
Oh, okay.
So at the end of the last episode, might not have been quite her.
Right.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
Oh.
Yeah. Wanna do it?
Wanna do it?
Oh, and making us way through the damn intro.
I think they are gonna do it.
Yeah?
I think she's going to do it, and he's going to be drunk, not with it, really didn't agree to it type thing, maybe?
Possibly, yeah.
I can see that happening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, she's cute.
She is.
Besides the eye patch.
Yes. See? I knew he would. What boy wouldn't? Oh, shit. See? Okay, he did say yes. So he agreed.
Yeah, but I don't know if he is legally old enough to consent. I don't know what the age.
And how old she
Age
is.
of consent is in anime well. I don't know.
I guess anything goes.
It's something in your pocket.
Oh! Poor kid.
She would give him the.
Oh, so she's the one who gave him the lollipop.
Yeah.
He had it in his pocket.
Because of the taste of puke in
Because
his mouth.
of the taste of puke in his mouth. They do it? Oh no. Oh, you were right. Wow.
デンジ君、おはよう。朝ごはん食べれる？
Does she even remember last night?
Yeah, I don't know.
人見下ろしながら食う飯はうめえな。
デンジ君、昨日の夜
I
私
blacked
よって何も覚えてないんだけど。
誰がゲロ女とやっかよ。俺は初めてはマキマさんって決めた。
ああ、よかったよかった。
That's a really.
未成年に手出したら逮捕だからね。
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So how much younger is he?
I don't know how old she is. I think he's 16, so.
Yeah.
デンジ
Just
君
be
は
over
変わってる
18,
ね。
so maybe 20, 21, maybe?
気まずくて帰ると思うんだけど。よし。私がデンジ君とマキマさんをくっつけてあげようか。
Aww.
マジ
For real?
マジマジ。
Yeah, I know why.
私と極秘で同盟を
Because
組
she
もう
wants
じ
the
ゃない。
other fella.
マキマさんとくっつける協力
The
す
other
るからさ。
fella.
Yeah, the ponytail guy. I think his name's Aki.
Oh, yeah.
She's in love with that other fella who also likes Makima. So she gets him with him. Gets her with
That's
him.
her partner,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
いいぜ。
Yeah, I know how women think.
同盟組もうぜ。
じゃあ今日から
Don't tell me it's the train devil.
Oh!
What?
こちら C 班、こちら C 班、開始。
No fucking way, are you serious?
Oh, Denji is gonna be
That's
so
gonna be
heartbroken.
it. Oh my god. What in the world
He's
did we
gonna-
just watch?
He's gonna lose his shit.
He's like madly in love with this girl.
じいちゃんヤクザだったけど、正義のヤクザでさ、必要悪っていうのかな。じいちゃんみたいな人はさ、女子供も数えるほどしか殺したことないんだ。
Oh, that's all just a handful.
役売った金で欲しいもん何でも買ってくれてさ、みんなに好かれた江戸っ子かたぎのいい
He's
人だ。
part of the Japanese mafia.
デンジ、お前も好きだったろ。
何のつもりだ、てめえ。知り合いか？
銃の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
Oh! What the fuck? Oh my god! Come on, coward!
What the fuck is going on? Healing Pachita. Oh!
Oh my god, what happened?
早川秋、私の口にとんでもないものを入れてきたね。
The Gun
人で
Devil.
も
Maybe.
悪魔で
No.
もない。
Oh!
パワー、姫野先輩の血を止めてろ。
釘
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh!
さあ
Dude, it's just like Denji's sword.
Yeah. Oh! Oh, he broke it off inside of it. Oh!
ニッチ。そいつの仲間か。
What?
He's working for her.
Yeah.
さっさと殺して。
Oh!
Come on,
She has
Denji.
power over him. How? What?
Denji's gonna have to come into play.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Oh.
Holy shit.
アキくんは泣くことができる。
Oh!
デビルハンターは身近な死に慣れすぎて涙が出なくなる。
Wow!
でもアキくんはすぐ泣く。面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかは隠れて泣いていたから面白かった。あれだけ思って泣いてもらえたら嬉しいだろうな。
Come on, Denji.
Oh!
We need you.
He needs blood, don't he?
Probably, yeah.
死なないでね。私が死んだ時さ。
What the heck?
泣いてほしいから。
ヘビ、
Oh!
丸飲み。
Oh!
帰れ。
Huge snake.
This episode is insane.
Everyone's fucking gone. Gone! What in the world?
Wow.
What just happened? What did we just watch?
I think,
Everyone got murdered.
yeah. Wow.
No one survived?
Well, Aki's still alive.
He's the only
Power's
one,
still
maybe.
Power. And I'm assuming Denji's gonna live. But it looks like Eye Patch Girl is done for. A bunch of the people that were locked in that hotel
Yeah.
They got shot, killed, and Makima.
Yeah.
Although we didn't. Well, no, we did see her body, didn't we?
Yeah, she got shot in the head.
Yeah. Because the one angle you couldn't see her when she was getting shot. It was blocked. So I thought.
He shot her from behind.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wow. Denji is going to be so upset if he's still alive when he knows this.
Do you feel like I feel like
Maybe it's a dream.
No, I don't think so.
Maybe it's just a really bad dream.
I feel like it is all of these devils. I think they want Denji. I feel like
so they're coming after everyone that he cares for.
Everybody that he's been in contact with.
They're coming after.
Yeah. I really feel like they're scared of him.
Yeah. Yeah, me too. They're after him for a reason. So he is special.
Him and Pachita together are special. But I think maybe Pachita was like I said in the last episode, maybe, they were hunting him down and he was hiding out with Denji.
Right. Yeah.
Or something like that. So, I mean, it's possible that once they merged and he became a devil hunter, now they're like, okay,
right,
we got to take him out.
Yeah, no more.
So I feel like it might be the gun devil that's calling the shots.
Maybe, yeah.
And is now starting to send all of these other devils after him.
I agree.
The Curse Devil, the Infinity Devil.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Wow. Yeah, true.
Wow. It's not the way I expected this episode.
We don't have no more to watch, right?
Nope. Not until next week.
Sucks.
Right?
Man.
Wow. What an episode. Yeah, we're just speechless at this point.
Yeah, I am, honestly. I don't know what to say. I don't know how to feel. Right. I'm just like, yeah. Yeah, that was crazy.
I just feel like Denji's going to be resurrected or healed or whatever, through his devil.
I hope so. But yeah. Crazy episode. This is
Yeah, like I said, I just never felt like it was going that way. It started so happy, and we were so happy that I was, that Denji turned it down, and he was waiting for Makima, and then all of a sudden she's dead.
Right.
And then the woman that wanted him, she's dead.
She's dead.
Now all of his options are gone because Power doesn't want him.
No.
All right. Well, there you have it. Can't wait for next week's episode. I hate this waiting.
I know.
Thanks everyone for watching. Please smash a like on this video. Let us know what you guys thought of this episode in the comments down below, and we'll catch you later.
Crypto Crew.